Hello children, this is Vadima teacher from Toddledom School, pre-primary section of St. Paul's High School. I welcome you all today back in Hindi period. So dear children, you have learned so many swar of Hindi now. The first one starts with a, e. Then today we are going to learn new Hindi swar, that is E. Badi E. You have done a, you have done a, you have done choti E. Now today time to learn Badi E. So first we will start with the oral part. Yes, we will learn all the pictures related to Badi E. And then I will teach you how to write Badi E with two easy pictures. So children, let us start with our session of this Hindi period. So children, let us do first Hindi orals. This is Badi E. Badi E से ईश्वर. बड़ी ई से ईश्वर. बड़ी ई से ईंट. बड़ी ई से ईंट. Say one more time. बड़ी ई से ईंट. बड़ी ई से ईख. बड़ी ई से ईख. One more time. बड़ी ई से ईख. बड़ी ई से ईद. बड़ी ई से ईद. Are you repeating with me? बड़ी ई से ईद. बड़ी ई से ईमेल. बड़ी ई से ईमेल. Let us say together. बड़ी ई से ईमेल. बड़ी ई से ईंधन. बड़ी ई से ईंधन. One more time. बड़ी ई से ईंधन. Now children, let us start with our writing part. Time to open your H1 notebook. Put today's date and write CW in the center. Now first line, make a small standing line. Make front curve. Touch the first blue line. Then make a back curve. Touching the second blue line. Come down with a loop. Make one small sleeping line. And on top of it, make matra. Badi E. Now make a square or rectangle shape. Inside it you have to make slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line towards inside, and join it with again with a small square. Badi E से ईंट. Let us write one more time. Standing line, front open curve, back open curve, coming down with a loop. Do not touch the down red line. Make a sleeping line on top and make matra. Now make a curve. Okay, you have to make half curve. One more half curve. Other side you have to make open curve and open curve. Now make up, down, slanting line. And inside the curves you have to make a small sleeping line. Badi E से ईख. Now what we are going to do is just follow the correct pattern and write all the swar one below the other neatly and draw the picture simultaneously. Say and write, children. Make it a habit when you are writing, you should say and then write. Badi e say eat. Again write badi e and draw the picture of eek. Badi e say eek. See the pattern and draw it nicely. Teacher has given you the most easy picture and easy pattern. So follow the pattern and write one below the other. Badi e. Badi e say eat. Okay, you can draw a square or rectangle. Inside it, make slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, and again join it with a small square inside. Badi e. Badi e say eat. Badi e say eek. Come on, draw two curves on both the sides. Then make slanting line up, down, up, down, up, down, up and down. Yes, this way you can draw the picture of eek. You should write the letter in a correct pattern and draw the picture correctly. Okay, after drawing the picture, again write badi e. To make badi e, one more easy way is you can draw a small standing line and make S and then come down with a loop. That is also very easy pattern to learn and remember. Badi e say eek. So children, you don't have to remember only these two pictures. Apart from this, you can learn many more pictures like we have done in our orals. As we said before, badi e say Ishwar. Badi e say Indhan. Badi e say eat. Badi e say eek. Badi e say email. So this way you can keep on saying and keep on writing. So here we are going step by step with the correct pattern and the pictures. One below the other, write neatly, and one below the other, draw the picture neatly. I hope children now you all must be finding it little easy to make badi e and easy to draw the picture as well. So this way you have to go step by step and complete the work and page like this. So children, we are done with 4 Hindi swar now. That is a, e, Yes? So start practicing and learn the oral part as well. So you have to check out the YouTube video for the same. See the orals and learn the writing pattern correctly. This was all for today, dear children. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care of your health. Have a good day. Bye bye.